Hello everyone. So today we are going to add this minimap. You can see in the bottom left corner. So you can see a box that moves around the world when we navigate in our world. So if I, for example, go to this far edge, you can see this small island we have here and this highlighted focus area also there, displayed correctly in the minimap. So this is what we are going to work on today, showing the location of our world in the minimap and updating it in the runtime. Right, so first of all we need to define the boundaries of the map. So for that, let's put some reference object like this cylinder. I'll make it like this so I can easily identify the edge. Let me name it as edge. So how large we need our map to be? Let's say something like 10,000 in X direction. Well, it's not that big. $40,000. Okay, that's big. And in Y direction also, well, let's keep to 20,000. So we will have overall 40,000 in both directions. Okay, but you can I will implement the blueprints in such a way that you can modify or adjust these scales. Okay, edge 20,000 by 20,000. Let me duplicate this. Control D. Okay, 2. I'll put this one minus 20,000 by 20,000. That means over there. Again, duplicate. $20,000 by minus 20,000. That means there. And again duplicate. Minus 20,000 by minus 20,000. Okay, now we have the edges like that. So right, no need to play. So we have the edge here. As a reference, let me put some objects over here. Like this, and another one closer to this edge, another one here, and another one here. Okay, right, now we have some reference point, even though we don't have anything interesting going on there. So now we need to have a map. image. So I'll go to the top view, press G, nothing happens. Sure, great. Okay, we don't need to see the grid. How do I enable game view in this mode? Right. Okay. What's this box? We can hide those boxes using this hide all option for volumes. Right, now let me just make a snip here, so you can see the edges, white dots as edges. Now let me go to Photoshop and create a file in the size of we don't really need that to be 40,000 by 40,000, so but something like I'll use 1,000 by 1,000 should be enough, and paste. Okay, now you see these dots, those are the edges. So alright, I think it would be easier if I just mark them first. Right, now let's select that area. Ctrl Shift I and delete the rest. Ctrl T. Zoom. To fill. Okay. All right. Now let me save this. Now here, let's go back to our perspective view. One more thing, let's add some border also here, so we can see the edge. Not black, let's go for a color like this. What's the color we have here? So we can pick that color. Right. Same color. Let's make it inside. Okay. Now we can see the image is not actually balanced. Now it's balanced. Okay, save. Right. Okay. Now let's import that image. drag and drop. Okay, here we have the map image. We got the map image now. One moment, this should be rotated. Because this is like the natural view. Okay, re-import, right. So you can save and re-import, so the changes are again imported. Okay, now let's create a widget, a user widget. wdg minimap. Okay, let's add a canvas panel, and what do we need? Let's just add the map image first. Later on, if we need more elements, we will add it. Add them as we go. I'll anchor it here and size 100 by 100, not enough. Yeah, let's see. And location, let's align it into the middle. 5.5. Okay, right, now let's add this into the HUD widget. This is the selection widget, selection box, if you remember the box selection. Here let's add minimap. Let's anchor it to the full screen so it will be aligned properly. Right, now we're gonna play. We have the minimap here. Maybe it could be a bit little too large. Yeah, let's make it a bit larger. Now we have to move. Okay, let's see in the game. This will do. Alright, now the next step is we need to highlight the area we see in the map. So how can we do that? I think we would need a box like shape for that, like a frame. Oh, sorry, I thought I paused the recording. Right, let's just create some simple 100 or 500 box. And since we always have some angle, I think it would be better, instead of having a perfect box, if we have something like this. A shape like this. Wait, how to move it? It's not balanced. Now it's balanced. Okay, and the color, we have white here, so maybe the same as this pen. So this color, and we don't need a background. And so let's center it. Okay, so map area. Well, I think not map area, focus area. That's a good name. Okay, now let's import it. Right. Oh, it's not thick enough. Let's see how it looks. No, it's barely visible, especially this line. I'm not sure why. Oh, okay, I think that's because of the scale. Yeah, and it should be a part of Minimap, not here. So focus area. Well, not that large. 20 by 20, let's say. I can barely see that. Yeah. So this is still map area. I should save it to focus area. Oh wait, did I add another line? Okay, that's why it didn't get thicker. Right. Oh, now it's visible enough. Good. Okay, now the next thing is we need to move this square to the location where we currently looking at. So we can do that in the Minimap widget. I don't think we should do with that in the tick. So let's create a custom event. Update focus area. So here we need to get player pawn. We can't use player character because we use a pawn this pawn as the player controlled character, so that's why we can't use get player character. So let's check if it is valid. Some may be not necessary this step. So yeah, anyway, get actor location. So now we know the edge of this map represents in the world units. This one is 20,000 by 20,000. No, this one is 20,000 by 20,000, if I remember correctly. Yeah, that's 20,000 by 20,000. This one is minus 20,000 by minus 20,000 XY coordinates. So then here, let me rename and focus. Okay. Now if the player is in 0, 0 location, this box should move to I'll set the anchors same as this one for the box. So then 0, 0 means the location 2000 by minus 2000. Sorry, 200 by minus 200. Minus 200. Okay. Now this is the 0, 0 location. So where? We should align it into the middle, otherwise it will not align properly with the world locations. Okay, so we can get the world location and divide it by, let me convert this to a float. 20,000 is mapped to 350. That's the scale we are going with. Not 350. This middle point plus half of the size of this map. So our map size is 300, half of the map size is 150, middle point is 200. So 200 plus 150 means 350. Okay, so get the map, get size, get slot, slot as canvas slot, because this is a canvas panel slot, and get size. Okay, so divided by 2. Oh, we can't divide it, convert this into a float. It's fine, we can just put 2 and 2 here because this is element wise vector divide. Okay, now the world location. world location should be divided by, oh, we already have a division, this size, this full size, oh no, not full size, half size. So this one I'll again use, this is also element wise, so let's split this and split this one. Wait, not to split here, recombine, break, because we might need later on the result of this one. X divided by X, Y divided by Y. So wait, is this correct? No, this is not correct, because 20,000 means 150 according to this the scale of the map. So whatever the map scale, we should multiply it by let me add a variable scale, world scale. This should be vector 2D vector, and the default value should be 20,000 and 20,000. So not exactly the world scale, this is half world scale. Okay, oh wait, no, we can use the full world scale actually. Get the full world scale and get the size of map, divide it with the full world scale, get the values for X and Y, and now we get a value and add at this 0 point. 0 point means 200 by minus 200, and something has to be inverted to Y. Y has to be inverted. Well, both has to be inverted, because here this side is plus and so this side and this side is plus, but in the world this side and this side is plus. So this first has to be multiplied by minus 1 and add the neutral point, P0 point of this, that means 200 by minus 200. Well, we did a lot. Hopefully the calculation will be correct. Let's see. Get the world, no, get the focus as canvas slot, set position, like this. Now only for testing, let's connect this to the tick, update focus area. Okay, as we move down, it moves up, so our inversion is wrong. What? Why did I get it wrong? So is this not required? No, wait. Y was wrong, X was correct. So that means add the multiplier. Yeah, X was correct. So X is 1, Y is minus 1. Now let's see. Still Y is going in the wrong direction. Oh wait, X and Y is interchanged. That's why. Yeah, because X is this direction, Y is this direction. Right here, let's add a make vector X goes to Y, Y goes to X. Okay, now it seems correct, but need to fix the inversion. Yeah, now it's correct. Wait. Not quite. We are moving down. Did it work? Why didn't I see the island in there? Shouldn't I see an island now? How did I miss it? Right, let's directly paste the player here, so we can do the calculation easily. So let's do the calculation manually. No, let's play. Where is the box? Box is nowhere to be seen. Sorry, world scale is 40,000, not 20,000. 20,000 is the half scale. Now it's correct. See, if I move up, yeah, now it's correct. It correctly shows our location. Yes, yeah, see, we are on this island. So we don't account for the angle of the map, but so technically we are seeing the map as if we are seeing without an angle, so like this. But we will improve the system to account for that as well in the next episode. For now, I'm going to stop this episode right here. Let's go back and check. Okay, That's it for today. Thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.